Okay, we're in a 2010 Toyota Camry LE with leather, certified car. Getting ready for the start. Nice start. This has side curtain airbags and side seat airbags. It has both of those $350 keys and the valet key, all original. 35,402 on the miles, and you've got a 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty on this. Let's go for a test drive. The leather is flawless on the car. I mean, it's really, really gorgeous. Everything else looks like it's brand new. And I think this even has yes, it has the certification checklist with all of the things done. The 160-point checklist. This car has new tires, new everything. It has gone through a complete inspection and has been given a 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty. Color is a goldish pearl, like the new Lexus, same color as that. Let's go for a quick ride. That's 50, nice and smooth. 60. 65, 70, and hit the brakes. No oscillating on the steering wheel at all. Absolutely perfect. Very, very nice. I don't need to go out on the main road. This car's perfect. This also has a clear Carfax, no accidents. Full inspection. This is as good as it gets right here. You can't get any better than this unless you buy new. We're back. And then I think the 2010, watch, I don't have to hold the thing to go up. It goes up by itself. I don't know if, because I know like in 07 won't do that. So maybe in 010 they changed that. I'd like to find that out. See, I don't have to touch the window going up. Usually you can only get that with the XLEs, but that might be a new thing for 010. But either or, very, very nice car. That's it.